Have you ever had a pap disastrous moment? Well, it happens to the best of us. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making pap as in akamu at home. Pap is very, very good for children and for adults too. So this is my raw pap. I'm adding my sugar here. I love adding it at the beginning stage before I add hot water so that the hot water will dissolve the sugar properly. This is where we miss it. If your mixture at this stage is light, you're going to end up with a watery pap. So when you're mixing your raw pap, please be gentle with the water you're adding. This is just tap water. As you add, you stir. The aim here is to have a lump-free mixture. Your mixture should not be too light, neither should it be too thick. If it's too light, you're going to have a watery pap. And if it's too thick, there's a probability that you're going to have lumps. So this is my hot water. This kettle has been on fire and the water has been boiling. So you use boiling water to cook your pap. As you add your boiling water, you're stirring. And as you stir, the pap gets thicker. So I'm just transferring to my serving bowl. I'm going to add my milk and I'm going to add hot cocoa, as in Milo. I love the chocolatey taste it gives my pap. You can add any kind of sweetener of your choice, honey, dates. You can add some slices of fruits, just the way you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.